Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you watch this. I'm going to try to show you how to get to Maple so we can get something accomplished tomorrow. I'm not going to be in the classroom because I'm stuck at home, as I told you. I have two students who tested positive, so I'm quarantining myself. I will be on the computer available. I'm not quite sure how I'll figure that out, but I'm definitely on Zoom and on Discord and email and messages and texting and whatever. Anyway, but if you do not want to go into the computer lab, which will be available, it should be open for us. This is a way to get Maple on your computer in your room or wherever you are. I have a new tab. I'm going to type in https remote.st.lau.edu. I've tried to use the remote software, did not like it. Use your username and the password. Don't use my password. That won't work. Now, the software you want is Maple. I don't need it to print, but a clipboard might be nice. Allow. Okay, so here is Maple. I've already started because I played with this before. Let's pretend I didn't. It's gone. Here you are. You are in Maple. We're ready to go. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because I'm old and I need to see. First thing you're going to want to do, as it says on the worksheet, is say with lineal with linear algebra. Why do I have two of them? Well, some of the commands in little linalg are better than the commands in big linear algebra, and I like to have both. Colon means it won't spit out everything, all the commands that I'm loading up. It just says okie dokie. So if you want to put in a matrix, you want to say A colon equals, not just equals, because then you're giving it an equation as opposed to assigning a value. So let's say I want a 4 by 6 matrix. I have 4 comma 6 comma square bracket and give it some numbers. I'll have to do 24. Give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. If you don't give it enough or give it too many, it will yell at you. So here I have my matrix A. What do I want to do with this matrix? Well, maybe I want to add it to another matrix. So I need another matrix the same size. I'm going to cheat and just make a random one. Okay, now I have two matrices. I can say A plus plus B. Oh, good, it added them. I can say 3 times A minus 16 times B. It does that. Can I multiply them? I don't think the sizes work for me to multiply them. So to multiply A by something, still it's like if you really want to, if you want to see it, you have to say EVALM for evaluate matrix. And there you go. There's the new matrix. Let's say the matrix I just multiplied, I want to put that in reduced row echelon form. So I'll say RREF of, now I just gave it this matrix, So in its mind, the previous matrix is that monstrosity, so I can say percent sign, which means the previous thing you just spit out. Wow! Aren't you glad I didn't have to do that by hand? Notice the pivots, I only have 4 pivots. Well, 4 is the most I could have because that is the maximum number of rows or columns. That's all only pivot you're going to do. Of whatever my A was before, you can, since you've labeled it, you can just do it that way. I'll send you an email about what I want you to accomplish for class tomorrow, and I will be available. Talk to me, talk to your friends, and I think that's a good place to stop.